gotta get out of here.
Why? All he said was freeze.
No, wait! They're still alive. What's the matter with you? You could have killed them.
A small price to pay for getting Stain.
But what about the accident? Gil said that...
Yeah, the police did suspect there was some kind of cover-up, but this guy had a criminal record even before then.
What? What about Gil's wife and kids?
Where are you getting all this? Gil doesn't have a wife or kids. Rhodey, Stain hired Donnie Gil right out of jail. Technology theft, illegal experimentation. He's like an evil scientist or something.
Rhodey, please tell me that Tony's not mixed up with this guy.
I want to take down Stain too, but you can't just hurt innocent people.
I'll do worse than hurt them if they get in my way.
No, you won't. I won't let you.
That's too bad. You hear that? That's the sound of your body freezing solid. It'll be the last sound you ever hear.
Warning. System failure in progress. Life support failing.
No. No!
Critical warning. Power loss imminent. Batteries at 2.7%.
Still alive in there? Not